Hello and welcome back to Mr. Seal. Today we're gonna recreate this part. So let's begin. First we will select the plane to be the right plane and click Sketch. Change our view and make a cylinder, write a circle, center at the origin that has a radius of diameter of, as we can see here, 12 millimeters. Click OK. Now we are done with it for now. We go ahead and we extrude it by 23 millimeters. Good. Now we got ourselves a cylinder. Now let's make this part. So click here, click Sketch, and it says that we will have a circle on the Y plane that is 3 millimeters below the center of our big cylinder. Now the radius is 4. The diameter is 4. Here we go. And it's extruded by 10 millimeters. So let's click OK. And extrude it by 10 millimeters. Here you go. Now we will do this hole in the front plane. Sketch, side view. Now it's claimed that our circle will be 5 millimeters away from the origin. Right here. So let's pick the origin and this is center and write 5 millimeters. Now we need to know the radius of this, and it was specified earlier that the radius is, the diameter is 3 millimeters from our previous sketch in our motor series. Now click OK and extrude it. Remove. Great. However, when we remove it, we need to do it symmetrical. And click OK. Now what we need to do is to just add those chamfers by 0.5 millimeters and 45 degrees as specified right here on the big part. Click OK, and for the small one we need to shrink it down to 0.25 and do it right here as specified right there. Click OK, and here we go. We had completely recreated this part from the sketch. Thank you and have a great day.